In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save a full Google Chrome page as a PDF. So this is very easy. So what you need to do is open up Google Chrome. From here, we need to go to the Chrome Web Store. So go to Google and type in Chrome Web Store. Once you've done that, click on the Web Store and then go ahead and search for an application called Capture. So if you search for Capture, you'll be able to find Go Full Page, which is going to be the application we're going to be using. So click on it and then click on Add to Chrome, then Add Extension. Once you've done that and it's installed, you'll then be able to see it in the top right hand corner. It may hide behind the puzzle icon. So if you click on that, you'll then be able to see it. So now what we need to do is go to the page we want to save. So I'm going to save this website here. So this is going to be the full page as a PDF. So now if we go to the puzzle icon, you can go ahead and find Go Full Page. If you click on that, it will open. And as you can see, screen capture in progress. Now we've got the full page captured. We can now go ahead and download this as a PDF or a PNG. I'm going to click on PDF, click allow, and there you go. We've now downloaded this, and that is all you have to do.